Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart Learning English Channel. Dave, tell me about your family.
Sure. I have a pretty close family. We see each other quite often.
That's nice. How many people are in your family?
There are 5 of us. My parents, my older sister, my younger brother, and me.
Wow, you're right in the middle.
Yeah, I'm the middle child.
What's that like?
It's actually pretty good. My older sister is very responsible. My younger brother is much more playful.
So you get both sides.
Exactly. I get advice from my sister, and I get jokes from my brother.
Sounds like a good balance.
It is, although sometimes my brother is too funny.
What do you mean?
He likes to make jokes at dinner. Sometimes everyone starts laughing.
That's a good thing. Family dinners can be fun.
Yeah, we usually eat together when everyone is free.
What do you usually talk about?
Work, food, weekend plans. Sometimes we talk about movies.
That sounds like a normal family dinner.
It is, but my brother always changes the subject.
What does he talk about?
Anything. Sports, video games, funny videos, something he saw online.
So he's always talking.
Pretty much.
I think every family has someone like that.
Probably. What about your family?
I have a smaller family. It's just my parents, my brother, and me.
Are you close with your brother?
Yes, we talk a lot. He's actually one of my closest friends.
That's nice. What do you usually do together?
We go out for coffee, sometimes we watch movies, sometimes we just sit and talk.
That's simple.
Yeah, we don't need a big plan. Just spending time together is nice.
I agree. I think that's one of the best things about having a family.
What do you usually do with your parents?
We have dinner together. Sometimes we go out to eat, and we call each other during the week.
Do you call your parents often?
Yes, especially my mom.
Why?
She always wants to know if I've eaten.
Moms are like that.
Exactly. She asks, "Did you eat?" Then, "Are you hungry?" Then, "Do you need anything?"
That's definitely a mom question.
Yeah. Even when I'm full, she still wants to feed me.
Sounds like your family takes care of you.
They really do.
That's wonderful. Do you all live close to each other?
Most of us do, so it's easy to visit.
That's really nice.
Yeah. I like being close to my family.
Me too.
Actually, there's one thing my family does every weekend.
What's that? What's something your family does every weekend?
We usually have dinner together. Sometimes we cook at home.
Who usually cooks?
My mom cooks most of the time, but my dad helps too.
Does your dad like cooking?
He says he does, but I think he just likes eating.
That's different.
I know. He always stands near the kitchen.
What does he do?
He checks the food, he gives advice, and he asks, "Is dinner ready?"
That's funny.
Yeah. My mom usually says, "Not yet."
That sounds very familiar. What about you? Does your family cook together? Sometimes. My dad likes to cook on weekends.
What does he make?
Usually something simple. Rice, chicken, soup, or vegetables.
That sounds good.
It is. And sometimes my brother helps him.
Do you help?
Sometimes. But I'm better at cleaning.
That's still helpful.
Exactly. Someone has to clean the kitchen.
Very true. Do you spend a lot of time together on weekends?
Yes. Sometimes we watch TV together.
What do you watch?
Usually a movie or sometimes sports.
Does everyone like the same thing?
Not always. That's where we disagree.
About what?
My brother likes action movies. My sister likes romantic movies. My dad likes sports.
What do you like?
Comedy.
So who chooses?
We take turns.
That's fair.
Sometimes we watch 2 things.
At the same time?
No, one after another.
Oh, okay. I was going to say, that sounds difficult.
Yeah, that would be a little crazy. Dave, what about your family? What do you usually do together? We like going out sometimes. We might have lunch together or go to a cafe.
Do you travel together?
Sometimes, usually short trips.
Where do you like going?
Somewhere quiet. Maybe the beach or a small town.
That sounds relaxing.
It is. I like traveling with family because we can take our time.
That's true. Traveling with family can be fun, but sometimes it can be tiring too.
Oh, definitely. Especially when everyone wants something different.
Exactly.
My brother likes sleeping late. My parents like waking up early.
That's a problem.
It can be.
Yeah, my family is the same. I'm the one who likes sleeping late.
Of course you are.
Hey, it's the weekend.
Fair enough. Do you have any family traditions?
Yes, we usually celebrate birthdays together. We have a big dinner.
That sounds nice. Who has the biggest birthday celebration?
Probably my mom.
Why?
She loves birthday cake.
I understand her. I like cake too.
So does my whole family. We always have too much.
Is there really such a thing as too much cake?
In my family, never.
That's a good family rule.
Yeah,
It sounds like your family spends a lot of time together.
we do. I'm really thankful for that.
Me too. Even simple things can be special when you're with family.
Exactly. Sometimes we don't do anything special. We just eat and talk.
Those can be the best moments.
I agree. Actually, there's something funny about my family dinners.
What is it? You said there was something funny. What happens at your family dinners?
My family talks a lot. Sometimes everyone speaks at once.
Really?
Yes, my dad talks about work, my sister talks about her day, my brother tells jokes, and my mom asks everyone questions.
That sounds loud.
It is. Sometimes I just sit there and listen to everyone.
Do you ever get a word in?
Sometimes, but I have to wait.
Wait for what?
A quiet moment.
Does that happen?
Not very often.
Oh, Dave. That's funny.
But I like it. Our house feels very lively.
I understand. My family is a little quieter.
Really?
Yes. But when we talk about something interesting, we can talk for a long time.
Like what?
Food, travel, movies, and family memories.
Family memories are fun.
Yes. Sometimes we look at old photos, then someone remembers a funny story.
That's nice.
My brother has some embarrassing photos of me.
Oh no.
He loves showing them to people.
What kind of photos?
Old school photos. My hair looked terrible.
Everyone has photos like that.
I hope nobody ever finds mine.
Too late.
What do you mean?
I'm sure your brother has them somewhere.
Don't remind me.
Do you and your family talk every day?
Pretty much. We usually send messages. Sometimes we call.
What do you talk about?
Small things. What we're doing, what we're eating, our plans for the weekend.
That's nice. My family does that too.
Do you talk to your parents every day?
Almost every day. Especially my mom.
I knew it.
She checks on me. She asks if I'm eating well.
Classic mom.
Exactly.
What about your dad?
My dad is different. He doesn't ask many questions, but he always helps when I need something.
That's sweet.
Yeah, he shows he cares in a quiet way.
I like that. People show love differently.
That's true. Some people talk, some people help, some people cook.
Some people make jokes.
That's my brother.
Of course. What do you enjoy most about spending time with your family?
I think it's the feeling of being comfortable. I don't have to pretend. I can just be myself.
That's important.
Yeah, after a busy week, it's nice to sit with people who already know you.
I feel the same way. You can talk about anything, or you can sit quietly.
Exactly. You don't always need a plan.
Sometimes just having dinner together is enough.
Or having coffee.
Yes. Or watching a movie.
Or eating cake.
You brought cake back again.
It's a family tradition.
Fair enough.
Do you have a favorite family memory?
Yes. One summer, my family took a short trip together.
Where did you go?
We went to the beach. We stayed for 2 days.
That sounds nice.
It was. We ate together, we walked by the water, and we talked a lot.
What's your favorite part?
Honestly, just being together. Nobody was busy. Nobody was thinking about work.
I understand. Those are the memories you remember.
Exactly. What about you?
I remember a family dinner when everyone was laughing.
What happened?
My brother told a really bad joke. Everyone laughed anyway.
Was the joke actually funny?
No, that's why it was funny.
I know exactly what you mean.
Sometimes family jokes are like that.
They don't have to be good, they just have to make everyone laugh.
Exactly.
I think that's what makes family special.
Yeah. And there's one thing my family always does together.
What is it?
So, Dave, what's the one thing your family always does together?
We always have dinner together when everyone is free.
Even when you're all busy?
We try. Sometimes it's difficult, but we make time when we can.
I like that. Family dinner can be very special.
Yeah. We sit at the same table, we eat together, and we talk about our day.
Do you use your phones?
Usually not. My mom doesn't like phones at the dinner table.
She's right.
She always says, "Put your phone away."
That's a good rule.
It is. At first, I didn't like it, but now I enjoy dinner more.
I understand. When everyone puts their phone away, people actually talk.
Exactly. We listen to each other, we laugh, and sometimes we talk for hours.
That sounds really nice. What do you think makes a happy family?
I think it's spending time together, even simple things.
I agree. You don't need expensive trips or big celebrations.
Sometimes dinner at home is enough.
Or watching a movie together?
Or having coffee and talking.
Exactly. It's really about the time you spend together.
And listening to each other.
That's important.
Yes. I also think you should help each other.
Definitely. Families aren't perfect. People disagree sometimes.
Oh, yes. My brother and I argue sometimes.
About what?
Small things. Food, the TV remote, who's going to clean.
Those are classic family arguments.
Exactly. But we don't stay angry for long.
That's good.
At the end of the day, we're still family.
That's a beautiful way to say it.
What about you, Cindy? What's your favorite thing about your family?
I think it's the support. When I'm happy, they're happy for me. When I'm having a difficult day, they listen.
That's important.
Yes, I know I can call them when I need someone.
I feel the same way.
Do you think your family has changed as you've grown older?
Yes, we're all busier now. Everyone has work and different responsibilities.
Does that make it harder to spend time together?
Sometimes, but we still try.
That's what matters.
Exactly. Even when we can't meet, we can call or send a message.
Technology can be useful sometimes.
Definitely.
I think family is different for everyone.
Yeah. Some families are big, some are small.
Some people live close together, some live far away.
But staying connected is important.
Absolutely.
And sometimes the simplest moments become the best memories.
Like dinner together?
Or a family trip.
Or just sitting and talking.
Exactly.
I'm glad we talked about this.
Me too. It made me think about how lucky I am.
That's a nice feeling.
Yeah. I should probably call my mom later.
You should. And maybe eat something too?
She'll probably ask me that first.
I knew it.
Did you eat?
Exactly.
She's going to ask before I even say hello.
That's a mom.
And I wouldn't change it.
Me neither. Thank you so much for listening today. Keep practicing your English every day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. See you in the next lesson.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.